The first step in a Power BI report generation is a loading a data to your Power BI. What are the types of the data we can load? We can load a Excel, we can load a Power BI database, that is nothing but a Access database. If you are creating a database in a SQL, you can load that one, or we can use many other types. If you go to here in Home tab, okay, in Get Data, you have many other types of the data we can load. That is nothing but CSV file directly from website, OData, any data you can use. But we will be using many of the time which database we are using, Excel database. How to connect a Excel database? For example, here get data, select Excel. Okay, in your PC we have to select where your data is there, select that particular file, select that particular file which one you would like to connect, that particular Excel file, select and click on a open. It will give the navigator. Okay, in navigator, here it will show that which is the file you have, what is this data is about. Okay, this data it will be shown here, this data is shown. Okay, if you like to load this particular data, what we have to do, we have to select that particular data sheet, we have to select that particular data sheet, because in this particular file only one sheet is there, so here one sheet has been shown. If you have multiple sheets, the multiple sheets will be shown. Okay, select that particular sheet, which one you would like to load, which sheet you would like to analyze, select that particular sheet and say load. Click on a load, it will start loading a data, it will start loading a data. You can observe here it has been loaded on a left hand side. In a fields it has been loaded. Your data has a country column, distributor's name column, and one more distributor of ID it may be. Okay, and we have a distributor ID, price, product ID, quantity column, sales channel column, and a sold date. Okay, these are the different columns we have in your data, it will be shown. By using these columns we can analyze the data by constructing a report. First we have to clean the data, we will learn how to clean the data. Then once you have been cleaned the data, we will start visualizing a data. Okay, first data connection, very simple. We have to go to get data, which is the source. We have to select that particular source and select the file which one you would like to connect and say load. Select that particular page and load that particular data.